Well, lucky for me, my co-anchor had it on his phone last night, so I was good to go.
Thank you, YouTube TV. And that's not a plug or an ad by any means, but it was really hard to do in the newscast.
Everybody around Henry's phone in the newsroom.
I'm telling you, man. Wow. You know, I mean, because I just hate to see this because so many
know.
got priced out of the arena because those prices went skyrocketing, and now a lot of us are getting priced out of watching.
And then on a school night, too. A lot of folks
And
aren't
a
able to
school night
physically go somewhere.
With an 8:30
So,
tip.
yeah.
That's a late tip.
And then the other layer to it, it's so confusing because it keeps changing every time.
That's
so you're
true.
trying to navigate.
Where is it?
Yeah,
So tomorrow, I looked up ESPN.
Okay.
It's televised on ESPN tomorrow
But you can
night.
always take a break at 10 and come
watch
and watch.
us.
That's probably the best.
We're going to be
thing
updating
do.
you.
We're going to be updating on our phones.
Right.
All right, we've got a cold front in the forecast. This one not as strong as the last one, but it'll definitely be an adjustment on temperatures and a decent chance of rain. Let's begin with a Pick City forecast and take a journey north of San Antonio into the heart of Kendall County. Well, it's actually southern Kendall County. Here we go. Let's roll the video. Here we go. There you go. And it is Boerne, Texas on our Pick City. Tomorrow in Boerne, it starts cloudy, 70 degrees. I think maybe a little bit of sun, but not very much. A lot like today. Wednesday's going to be humid. 86 will be the high, but it'll feel like 90 or 91 for sure. And we've only got a 20% chance of an isolated shower up in Boerne tomorrow. To the Quarry Market, where my friends there tell me that the stacks are multicolored to celebrate Cinco de Mayo and Mexico's victory at the Battle of Puebla. 79 tonight, feels like 82. We've had a decent little heat index most of the day. It was feeling like 93 or 94 at one point this afternoon, all because of this dew point, which is high, 73. Speaking of highs, these are the warmest temps we recorded today across the area. 87 at Gonzales, 88 at Seguin, 82 at Boerne, 90 at Uvalde. How about Cotulla, 99? Carrizo Springs close at 97. How does our 87 stack up? From San Antonio International, we should be stopping around 84. Record stays in place from 1984, 2 days in a row, by the way, that we had a record high of 99 in 1984. No rain today, obviously. There was like a little mist falling this morning, but 2 inches in the gauge, and that all fell on the first day of May. Tonight, we can see that rain is hard to come by, and you'll notice a few areas of very light rain across West Texas. But you see what's happening right here? Computer models are really favoring a little action right along the dry line, which retreats back to the west in the evening hours. Cold front that'll be moving in tomorrow night, early Thursday. Mainly tomorrow night, though. Could see some showers along that front, but watch what happens along this dry line in a few hours. Expecting to see some big storms about 2 or 3 in the morning. And this model, the HRRR, has been doing a phenomenal job with the last 2 systems. So we'll have to wait and see. 2 or 3 in the morning, could see some pretty good storms develop and then push east towards San Antonio, but not impact the city. Maybe coming in around Comfort, might clip Boerne, maybe Medina Lake, that'd be nice, Bandera and Kerrville. And then you can see another line developing in the afternoon tomorrow. So this is why we've got about a 20% chance for some rain on Wednesday, and we quiet down, and a little less coverage on Thursday, according to the model. But it still looks as though we have a decent probability. It's just going to be very light rain, it looks like, on Thursday. Might not see too many big thunderstorms. So the front will sweep through, and then you see this low that's kind of centered over Los Angeles, that little counterclockwise swirl right there. That one is going to impact Mother's Day weekend. So watch what happens. This comes in from the west, and you can see it digging in, but then it slowly opens up just a bit. So there will be some rain chances, but it could be confined to just one day part over that entire weekend. And rainfall still looking above average over the next 30 days for South Texas, but especially West Texas. All right, let's take a look at the KENS 5 exclusive 14-day forecast from San Fernando Cathedral. Tomorrow, a humid 86 on a cloudy day, only about a 20% chance of showers. And then on Thursday, we'll up it to a 40 to 50% chance. Weather impact alert for not only the rain chance, but the winds. They're going to go north-northeast between 20 and 30 on the gusts. And then look at the difference on temps, only 74, a cooler 61 on Friday morning, and then 79 before we warm up closer to 90 by Sunday. And here's that rain chance. Going to go with it on Sunday night, and then drop it for Monday, Tuesday, bringing back some good rain chances on Thursday and Friday, the 14th and 15th. Don't forget Mother's Day, Sunday, May 10th. We'll be right back.